Hi, thanks for tuning in for another Honeydew educational moment. Today we're going to talk about gutters. People ask me a lot of times, do I really need gutters? There's only 3 reasons why you need gutters, and if you don't have one of these 3 reasons, then you don't need gutters on your house. You're just wasting your money. First, you want to prevent the rotting of wood siding. When the water comes off the roof, it hits the ground, it's going to splatter up onto the house here, and it's going to rot out the siding, and you can kind of see that's been going on here, so obviously we need to have a gutter. The second reason is keep water from coming in the basement. So if your house is on slab grade, if you do not have a basement, then you don't need to worry about water coming in. So again, you don't need gutters. The third is so you don't ruin your landscaping. So if you have some nice landscaping that's going to get killed from the impact of the water coming off the roof and hitting it, then you need a gutter. So again, if you don't have wood siding you're worried about rotting, if you don't have a basement that you're worried about water coming in, you don't have some fancy landscape that's going to get killed, you don't actually even need gutters. So that's the 3 reasons why you need gutters. Hope you found this video educational and informational. And if you have any more questions, just give us a call at Honeydomen.